Morning everybody, a balmy, rainy Wednesday morning here. I am on a job site that we started doing about 8 years ago. It's an apartment complex in New Prague here. And when Emerald Exterior first came out, this was one of the first projects that I ever used it on. And we did one of these entire buildings. We did a couple other with Duration and a couple of them with the Emerald. And yeah, they're holding up extremely well, especially the Emerald building here. So it was wonderful. Yeah, we kind of worked with the residents here. We did all the decks. I see a couple have been replaced with maintenance-free stuff. Most of the siding and trim on this building is original, probably from the 60s. And we kind of worked through, and we applied all this by hand. It was all brush and roller applied. We really wanted to soak that plywood here. You can see I got the crew's getting set up here, and they're going to be doing a little bit of work here. But yeah, this stuff has been holding up extremely well, and I just thought it was an interesting job site. You know, paint holding up from about 8. Oh, you can see some woodpeckers got that one there. That stuff must taste good. But yeah, the paint's holding up extremely well, and I thought I would just give you guys a little report of the stuff in the field. So I got the boys with me here today. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.